Our fence tape. Its red and white bright color makes people, horse, and other animals aware of electric fence. The fence is 12 mm wide and 200 m long, suitable for temporary, semi-permanent, and portable fence. The fence tape covers 6 plus 0.15 mm stainless steel electrical conductors, stronger than aluminum wire. Blocking effect is better than 5 conductors products in market. It won't rust with UV protection. It is easy to use. The gap in surface enable item no shaking by wind. Solid product sets easily and does not easy to slip off. It used with fence reel, easy to wind your tape in and out, and last on the farm through years of continuous use. It could save your time and money. Lightweight and portable, easy to install, repair, splice, can be reused many times. Its pulling force up to 65 kg, does not rebound when broken, but drops safely to the ground.